Hello. It's been a while since I last posted on the YouTube channel. It's been, quite a few years, but I'm back. So, yeah, due to recent circumstances, I thought it would be good to start re-uploading because, I've been through a recent redundancy from my previous company, an AI transformation, as they say. But I feel like that kind of puts me in an awkward position where I'm back on the market, and I feel like I need to hold myself accountable and make sure I keep honing my software engineering skill set. So I thought that would be a good reason to start posting again to kind of make sure I stay visible, stay accountable to myself, and ensure that I'm like having goals I set for myself and making sure I hit those goals. So yeah, I guess being unemployed, it makes more sense to be active every day. I need to make sure I'm progressing, studying, building things, staying hireable, I guess. Previously, one of the bigger goals of my channel was to create content that people could learn from, document things I was building in the games industry. But yeah, since then I've been on quite a journey. 5 years it's been since my last upload, and I ended up breaking into the games industry, worked for a company which produced mobile games for 3 years, and kind of figured out that that wasn't what I wanted. Um, the games industry, it kind of, a lot of hard work, and the pay just wasn't there. The skill set, I feel like I kind of peaked in a way, and I was looking for something new. So yeah, 2 years ago, I made the transition to full stack engineering, and haven't looked back since. I landed my first full stack engineering job 2 years ago. The company is WiseTech in Australia. It was good. The engineers I was working with were very talented. I feel like the caliber of engineers at WiseTech were the best engineers I'd worked with so far in my career, which was really inspirational for me because it meant there was like lots to learn. Um, I did struggle with imposter syndrome though, because being 6 years into my career when I started, I felt like everyone kind of had a leg up on me, but in a way that made me more motivated to push myself and continue learning. And I feel like, yeah, I did try. I tried hard at that job, but it is what it is at the end of the day. I can't talk too much about it, but yeah, got hit by the latest round of redundancies. So I'm back on the market, and we'll see how we go from here. So yeah, this is my first week of unemployment, and official unemployment. I've kind of been on gardening leave for the last month, so that was an opportunity for me to take a break. I started a family these last 5 years since my last upload, so I have my first daughter. My second one's on the way. It's been great, but that gives me more motivation to kind of push myself and make sure that I'm staying as hireable as possible and working on my skills. But it's definitely challenging in like an AI first world, right? Like knowing what to invest your time in, knowing which skills will be relevant 1, 2, 3 years from now. It's challenging. But yeah, since since I heard about the news, I've kind of been building a few things on the side to enhance my portfolio, make sure I'm learning new things. So yeah, I've kind of got two projects I'm working on. Maybe I'll share them in a future upload. But one of them's a portfolio website. I've never built a portfolio website for myself, and I thought like now's a good opportunity to build one, right? And I mean, with AI, it can really accelerate the capability of what you're building. So I feel like that's been a really smooth project for me so far, making good progress. But yeah, I guess we'll see. We'll see what happens. I mean, I may or may not upload this video, but we'll see how we go. And yeah, next week I plan to have the portfolio uploaded, deployed, and accessible through a URL. So I might make a video next week about my progress in that regard. Cool. All right, thanks. See you later.